All right, I've got to take issue with this new bottle of sanitizing countertop spray. Look at this. When you spray it, look at all this excess spray that comes up into the air, not only creating waste, but also fumes that you have to breathe. It's Lysol. This is the company that we're dealing with, or the brand that we're dealing with, and I generally like them. I mean, everyone's heard of Lysol. But check this out. I am very disappointed in this new design. It's only got one feature on the nozzle, spray or off, spray or not spray. And look at all this waste, like I said. There must be 20%, and they say, oh, 20% more. But 20% or more of each spray is coming out of the bottle in the form of waste, not to mention what I consider to be a toxic fume. I don't want to be breathing this stuff in, and after a few sprays, you immediately notice that, hey, I'm breathing this in. This can't be good for the lungs, right? And I expect more. I can't help but think this may be an intentional decision to make the consumer buy more. And I'm very concerned with that. So what I have to do in the meantime is gently squeeze so it kind of trickles out instead of sprays out. But I will not be buying this again.